Hello children, we are back with one more trick for finding the squares of number. A super duper simple trick for finding the square of any number. Let it be any number. Okay, so let's get started. In the first slide children, you will see that the numbers are given ending with 5. So to find the square of any number ending with 5, what am I going to do? I will write the last two digits as 25. Okay. Then the number remaining, that is, suppose if I take an example of 15. So I write the square of 5 as 25 and the number remains, that is 1 in the tens place. So I multiply the number 1 with its next consecutive number, that is 1 ka next consecutive number is 2. So 1 2s are 2. So I write 2 in front of that 25. So I get 225. Okay children, then you will see the square of 25. So I write again last two digits as 25. Then my number remains, that is 2. 2 into 3 gives me 6. So 625 is the answer for square of 25. Then square of 35. I write 25 in the last two places. Then the number remains, that is 3. 3 into 4 gives me 12. So 1225 is the square of 35. Right? Then 45 ka square, I write 25. Then 4 into 5 gives me 20. So 25 is the square of 45. Okay children, so to find the square of any number ending with 5, you have to write last two numbers as 25 and the remaining digits, like suppose if it is 9, you have to multiply 9 into 10, that is the next consecutive number, and you get the answer that you have to write ahead. So that is my answer for the square of any number ending with 5. Okay, so now children, we go to our next trick, that is square of numbers up to 50. Suppose if I have to find the square of any number up to 50, I have not by hearted any square of any number up to 50. So what is the simplest trick you can see? So like first example, we have taken square of 23. So to find the square of 23 children, my first step says that write the square of units place number. Now here you can see 3 is the number in the units place. So I will write 3 ka square as 9. Okay children, that is my first step. Second step is you have to multiply 2 into 3 into 2. The same numbers, what are they? Just put multiplication sign in between. Multiply 2 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So I write only 2 as the unit number, that is 2 in front of 9. Then 1 gets carried. Now children, the third step says square of the number in the tens place. Now my tens place number is 2. So 2 ka square is 4 and the 1 that is carried, so it becomes 5. So my answer is 529. Okay children, a very simple trick for finding the square of numbers between 1 to 50. Okay, one more trick we have children to find the square of numbers between 1 to 50. That is, suppose if I take 23 ka square again, you can see first step says you can look at the dots shown on the right side. Yes, first I have to multiply the units place number with the units number. So 3 into 3 is 9. Then I have to cross multiply the numbers in the tens and the units place, and then I have to add them up. So see children, cross multiplication, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 and 6 I add up, it gives me 12. So I write only 2, 1 gets carried. Now third step says tens place ka you multiply the number with the other tens place. So 2 into 2 gives me 4 and the one which was carried, so it becomes 5. So my answer for 23 square is 529. So children, this all we have done in our previous videos also. This was just a revision for you. So children, I hope that you have understood the method for finding the square of numbers up to 50. Now children, you have one wonderful method for finding the square of any number. Let it be any number, children. A universal method, we can say, one and all method for finding the square of any number. So children, before that, you can write the square of 1 to 50 numbers by using the same trick what we did now in the previous slides. Yes, that was 23 ka square. We saw the method. So that way you can find the square of numbers up to 50 by that method. Now children, a very simple method for finding the square of any number. Like suppose, see the formula given for us, that is AB square. Now AB square is equal to A square, 2AB and B square. How am I going to solve this? Very easy and simple. See children, suppose if my number is 43, I have to find the square of number 43. So what am I going to do? I will make three compartments or three you can say spaces. First, my number 4 is A and number 3 is B. Okay children. So I will write the square of A. Square of A is 16. 4 4s are 16. Okay. Square of B is 9. 3 3s are 9. Now 2AB. 2AB is 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. So are you getting this? A square, then 2AB and B square. So my last digit is my B. My first digit is my A. So I get these three numbers. Now what am I going to do for the answer children? I will write, the next step is I will write 9 as it is in the units place. Now from that 24 children, I will write 4 as the unit place number in the answer. Now what happens? The tens place number from 24 gets carried to the other further, you can say, or gets carried forward. So 16 plus 2 gives me 18. So the square of 43 is 1849. Okay children. So very simple step. Let's take one more example and we'll try to understand it again. Now my number is 62. To find the square of 62, my last one digit I'm going to call it as B and the remaining digit, that is 6, becomes my A. So I'm going to find the square of B, that is 4. 2 ka square is 4. Then 2AB is 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Then 6 ka square is 36. So I write 36 in the first section. Now what happens children? I have to add this all for my answer. So 4 is the only number in the units place. I write 4. Here from 24 I have to write only 4. 2 gets carried in forward. Then 36 plus 2 gives me 38. So my answer for 62 ka square is 3844. Okay children. Let's take one more example. That is the number 47. To find the square of 47, my last digit units number becomes becomes B and my remaining number becomes A. So 7 7s are 49. That is my last section what I wrote in the last column. Then 4 7s are 28. 28 into 2 gives me 56. So that I wrote in the middle. Then 4 ka square is 16. So that is in the previous column. So 16, 56 and 49. Now I have to add this. So again children, that 9 in the units place comes down. 4 is in the tens place. That gets carried in the forward number. So 56 plus, or you can say 6 plus 4 is 10. So I write 0 and my 5 and this 10 ka 1 gets carried. So 6 is getting carried in the A section. So see children, are you understanding this? So 16 plus 6 gives me 22. So my answer is 2209. Okay. Once again children, let's revise the same number. 47 ka square is my 7, my last number becomes B and my remaining numbers become A. So 7 ka square is 49. Then 2AB becomes 4 sevens are into 2. That gives me 56. And A ka square means 4 ka square is 16. Right? Now I have to add this all. So 9 comes as it is down in the answer. Only the units number we have to write. Rest all we have to carry forward. So 4 gets carried in the previous column. So now children, what happens? 56 plus 4 is 60. So 60 ka 0 is written and 6 gets carried in the further column. So 16 plus 6 gives me 22. So my 47 ka square is 2209. Okay, then we come to one more number, that is square of 19. So my 9 becomes B, my 1 becomes A, right? So 9 ka square is 81. Then 2AB becomes 9 ones are 9 into 2. So 9 ones are 9 into 2 is 18. Then 1 ka square is 1. Now I have to add this all. So 1 comes what is in the units place as in the answer. 8 gets carried forward. So 18 plus 8 is 8 and 8 is 16. You can do like that and 1 gets carried. So 1 and 1, 2 gets carried in the further column, in the A column. So 2 plus 1 gives me 3. So that is 361. Children, one thing you have to remember, when you are adding these numbers, only the unit place number you can write in the answer column and at the end the total can be written in the last column. Okay, so let's take one more example. Now we have taken a 3-digit number, that is 312. So again my last digit, that is 2, becomes B and the remaining digit 31 becomes A. So what am I going to do? I will write the square of 2, that is 4. Then 2AB will be 31 into 2 into 2. So that is 124, 124. Okay, 31 into 2 is 62. 62 into 2 is 124. Okay children, so now the A column, 31 ka square. Now already we have learned how to find the square of 50 numbers. So 31 ka square is 961. Okay children, so 961 is the answer in the A column. Now I have to add this. So my units place number for first is 4. So I will write 4 as it is from the B section. Then see the middle column, 124. 124 ka 4 will be written in the answer. 12 will be carried in the A section forward. So 961 plus 12 will give me 973. Okay, so my answer for 312 ka square is 97344. Okay children, so that is our children. Our next number is 1042. 1042. So what am I going to do for this again? My last digit in the units place is 2. That becomes my B and the remaining digits become my A. So 104 is A and 2 is B. So what am I going to do now? First I'll make the square of B. So that is 2 ka square is 4. Then 2AB in the middle section, 2AB. So 104 into 2 will give me 416. Okay, then 104 ka square. Yes, to find square of 104, it is 10816 using the same method what we did. So 104 ka square you'll have to find, and it is 10816. So this all numbers will get added up, and my last number is now for answer is 4 as it is. Then 416, out of that 6 comes down, 41 gets carried forward. So in that 10816, 41 gets added and I get 10857. So my square for the number 1042 is 1085764. Okay, children. So that is all. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.